You can transform your entire digestive system in just 30 days with the gelatin trick. Let me explain. It's astonishing to think about, but this simple daily ritual can have a profound impact on how you feel, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. After a month of incorporating the gelatin trick into your routine, people often notice a significant shift in their overall wellness, like their energy levels are more consistent and they're no longer held back by bloating. As you stick with the gelatin trick, you'll start to notice the benefits compounding, and it's not just about digestion, it's about feeling more balanced and grounded. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for a while now, says it's been a game changer for her, allowing her to focus on the things she loves without being weighed down by discomfort. The gelatin trick is all about creating a gentle, nourishing routine that your body can thrive on, and after 30 days, you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. To dive deeper into the gelatin trick and start experiencing its benefits for yourself, check out the link in my description for a comprehensive walkthrough. For a more personalized approach, head to the pinned comment below, where I'll be sharing additional tips and insights to help you get the most out of this powerful daily ritual.